all this rain, you gotta find a way to use it. That's adapting in life. So you know what? Speaking of dapping, I dap the water in my hair and make it look good. You know, with all this water going around, I feel like I'm missing out. So, hi, my name is Gabriel Manick. I'm an actor, and I am thirsty. Well, it's another packed house. Let's step forward a little bit. Yeah, it's crazy. Most of the time when I'm doing beer reviews, it's, you know, empty because it's like in the middle of the day, during the middle of the week when nobody's like here. But this is a Saturday here at, Woven Waters Brewery in Ybor City?
Tampa.
It's still Tampa?
Off of like Columbus Drive. And Florida Avenue.
Columbus Drive, Florida Avenue. Yeah, I mean, this place is pretty cool. I mean, you guys saw the Michael Myers mask. They've got a very unique theme in here, and I like it. They've been here for just over 2 years. Pretty awesome. I had to go with the Oktoberfest. I mean, it's a little darker now, but it's one of the lighter Oktoberfests, I would say. It doesn't look as malty, but if I'm not mistaken, it's a 5.5 or 5.4. I decided 5.4, and it's brewed with 2 different hops: Hallertau, and Mittelfruh. That sounds correct. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But yeah, it sounds really good, and let's just get to it, because let's just pretend that I didn't just come from Bassett Brewing and have a beer ready. So cheers, Prost, and you know it, thirst. First, thirst, let's try it differently. Thirst sips the one that counts when you're thirsty. There we go. Thirst sips the one that counts when you're thirsty. It's German. I speak German now. Oh, okay. Let's get him to the Greek.
Calm down.
I'm having a heart attack.
You're having a heart attack, are you? Why can't everything be this simple?
This is not furry. It's just plants. It's just plants. We got guys stocking up the beer. Got to make sure you're stocked, fully stocked. But this, honestly, pretty light. Pretty light on flavor. Just like I guessed, it's probably not going to be too malty. But it does have a, I don't know if it would be Marzen, a Marzen presence. Not truly an Oktoberfest, but it's really good though. I like the flavor, the aroma as well. It's got a very nice sweet bite to it. Not overly sweet, but it's got some of that. Nice bite. I like how it feels on the tongue. Look at that dog right up there. We got the game on. It's Saturday, college football. Things are happening. Is my head cut off? No, okay. I'm doing the Oompa Loompa dance now. Like, that's what you do during Oktoberfest. This place is great. I've been enjoying the day so far. Have you been enjoying the day, John?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
The day's still young.
Right. Wasn't there something we just laughed about? Something with like Arnold Schwarzenegger voice?
Yeah. The Acme and the
Acme. Yeah, Acme.
The premature stuff. You know?
Premature stuff.
It happens. It's okay. You know?
Oh, here's a really cool thing. So either one of the breweries that I work at, somebody in the industry was like, hey, by the way, you should go to Woven Waters because there's a girl named Jasmine that works there who used to work at Scofflaw with Tess. Now, I believe I've actually met Tessa. Tessa might actually be the person who told me to come here. Apparently, soccer's on right now. Go! I have no idea. I don't know why people are yelling. And more dogs. We got a pit bull over there. Got a little one. A little older in age too. Speaking of age, I'm getting older by the minute. So let's go ahead and score this. So this Oktoberfest, not the best. I still think that Dry County's Oktoberfest is probably the best that I've had, but still really, really good. I'm going to give this, I consider this more of a fest beer than a Marzen. I'm going to give this a 7. 7.6. 7.6. Still really, really good. Still worth coming to check out because, hey, the vibes are awesome. They got dogs. Look, I can't tell you enough about the brew pups, the brew dogs. They're all over the place and they want to meet you. So if you want to see more dogs, you can look at my channel. Please look at my channel. Look at the dog videos. But come to a brewery near you. Bring your own dog, whatever it is. And I will see you on the next review.
Cheers.